How to place a Chick-fil-A delivery order in the app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chick-fil-A on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here, click on Menu at the bottom left corner of your screen, then click on Delivery. After you click on Delivery in here, click on Start Delivery Order. After you click on Start Delivery Order, enter your address. Then, after that, you can add your apartment, business, suite, and delivery instruction if you have one. You can save this address for future use as well. After you've done this, you can simply click on Start and it will lead you to menu. Simply add things to your menu and check out. This is how to place a Chick-fil-A delivery order in the app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.